Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, model IX141, designed to handle your home's toughest messes. With features that cater to pet owners and anyone tired of dealing with stubborn dirt, this vacuum claims to bring versatility and power for both carpet and hard floors. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum combines sleek design with performance. It's equipped with hypervelocity suction, promising incredible cleaning power, especially in high-traffic areas. The vacuum's bristle brush roll and powerful suction system are said to work seamlessly on both carpet and hard floors, making it a solid all-rounder. The removable hand vac feature gives you flexibility to clean above floor areas, and it comes with essential attachments: the pet multi-tool for tackling pet hair and a crevice tool for those hard-to-reach spots. A thoughtful addition, the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris, helping you spot the spots you might normally miss. You've also got a good amount of convenience here. The vacuum's large XL dust cup means less frequent trips to the trash can. Plus, Shark's Clean Touch dirt ejector system lets you empty it with a simple push. No mess, no fuss. Its low-profile design ensures you can slide it under furniture without a struggle, and if you're running out of storage space, it conveniently clips into a freestanding position when detached. When it comes to performance, this Shark vacuum doesn't disappoint. In standard mode, the hand vac offers up to 40 minutes of runtime. While that might not be the longest on the market, it's sufficient for smaller homes or quick cleaning sessions. However, if you're deep cleaning a large home, you might find yourself recharging before you're done. It performs admirably on hard floors and carpets, easily lifting dust, dirt, and pet hair. The brush roll does a solid job at agitating dirt on carpets, and the suction remains consistent throughout the cleaning session, though you might notice a slight drop in suction as the battery starts to run low. The real-world usability of the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum is impressive, especially when it comes to pet hair. Thanks to the Pet Multi-Tool, you can handle even the most stubborn pet hair on upholstery, stairs, or even in your car. The tool picks up hair with minimal clogging, and the Crevice tool is perfect for those hidden areas that you'd typically overlook. It's also easy to maneuver around furniture thanks to its low-profile design and lightweight build. On the downside, while the battery life is decent, it might not be ideal for larger homes or for those who want a longer cleaning session. If you're cleaning thick carpets or high-traffic areas that require more power, you'll notice the runtime dipping faster than with some higher-end models. Also, while the vacuum is easy to use and store, it's not the quietest option available. Noise levels could be a factor if you're particularly sensitive to sound during your cleaning sessions. In terms of value, the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum positions itself well in the mid-range market. It's not the cheapest, but it offers strong cleaning performance, especially for pet owners. The combination of versatility, solid suction power, and the range of attachments adds to its overall worth. When compared to other vacuums in the same price range, the Shark is competitive, particularly for those who need a reliable cordless vacuum that can easily handle pet hair and smaller cleaning tasks. Now, if you're considering alternatives in the same price range, vacuums like the Dyson V8 or the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser come to mind. Dyson offers slightly better battery performance and suction power, but at a higher price point. The Bissell is a strong competitor, especially for pet owners, with a similar suite of attachments, but might lack the same level of versatility for flooring types. Looking at build quality, the Shark vacuum feels solid, with the plastic housing and joints sturdy enough for regular use. The removable dust cup and Clean Touch dirt ejector system are both well designed for easy maintenance. However, like most cordless vacuums, it's essential to keep up with regular cleaning of the filter and brush roll, especially if you're using it on carpet with pet hair. Overall, Shark has done a good job balancing build quality with practicality, though it could benefit from a more premium finish in certain areas. Customer support has been generally solid with Shark, and any issues should be addressed quickly under warranty. If anything, Shark's customer service reputation tends to be on the more responsive side, Although, like any brand, it's always wise to check their specific return and warranty policies to make sure you're fully covered. If you're someone who needs a quick, easy vacuum for pet hair and general messes, the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum is a good choice. It's lightweight, versatile, and effective on both hard floors and carpets. However, if you need more suction power, longer battery life, or a quieter model, you might want to explore higher-end alternatives. It's best suited for smaller homes or those looking for an affordable option that doesn't skimp on performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments box for a link to get your hands on the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum. If you've already used it, feel free to drop your thoughts or ask questions. Until next time, don't let the dust settle too long. Stay clean with Reviews Inside TV.